Good afternoon. I have been asked by the members of the Security Council to make a few comments after the discussions we've had today. First of all, the members of the Security Council welcomed the first visit to the Horn of Africa by the chair of the Sanctions Committee in Somalia and Eritrea since 2010 that he conducted in May. The members of the Security Council noted that the chair was not able to visit Eritrea during his visit. Members of the Council welcomed the continued commitment of the federal government of Somalia to political and security reforms and to improving weapons and ammunition management in order to comply fully with the terms of the partial lifting of the arms embargo. The members of the Council looked forward to further progress in this regard and reiterated their readiness to support this process, including through the Sanctions Committee and the Somalia and Eritrea Monitoring Group. They strongly commended the historic signing of the joint declaration of peace and friendship by the leaders of Eritrea and Ethiopia on 9th of July, and the commitment by both parties to jointly endeavor to ensure regional peace, development and cooperation. The members of the Security Council supported and encouraged Ethiopia in line with the commitment made by the Prime Minister of Ethiopia to help in normalizing relations between Eritrea and Djibouti, in the same spirit that helped facilitate the historic agreement between Ethiopia and Eritrea. The members of the Security Council further welcomed the announcement that Eritrea and Somalia would work together to foster regional peace and stability. The members of the Security Council reiterated their readiness to support the region in these efforts. Thank you very much.
Was there any, the Eritrean ambassador asked for the lifting of sanctions, and the Ethiopian ambassador hinted that that would probably be acceptable. Was there any discussion in the Council of the lifting of sanctions?
Yeah, that issue is being discussed. As I said in my statement on behalf of Council members, that there is a readiness to support the region in these efforts, and I think you should understand with that there is a readiness to move forward on that issue as well.
And would the Council lift sanctions if the border dispute between Eritrea and Djibouti is not resolved?
I think it's a bit too early to say, but there is, I think, promising diplomatic efforts, including on the relationship between Djibouti and Eritrea. And again, the Council members mentioned the one by Ethiopian Prime Minister to facilitate such progress. Thank you very much.